Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through I Don't Mind Waiting by Myron Williams. This song was requested by my piano student, Mr. Blue. Thank you so much for your very generous donations. Okay, so let's start off with this piece here. It's going to be in the key of A natural. The 7 chords of A being 1, A major, 2, B minor, 3, D flat major, 4, D major, 5, E major, 6, F sharp minor, 7, A diminished, and 1 on the A. So you're going to see us use those numbers in this piece. I'll call them out when I can. Okay, so let's start off with intro. You're going to start on the 1. This time you're going to be playing an A2 over D flat. To the 4, we're going to play a D major, or we're going to add the 2, which is E. Okay, we're going to do a 4 over 6 to a 5 over 7 to the 1. And on the recording you hear this very nice jazz passing chord. He's going to play this here, which is an A flat 7 sharp 9 sharp 5. But if you want to think of it quickly, think of playing an E major on top of A flat 7. And he plays this E flat major chord to an E major. And when he plays the E major, then he plays the A flat on the left hand. So, here we go. Then we're going to go to Don't Mind Waiting on You, Lord. Don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting on you, Lord. Okay, so let me break that down. So, you're going to play a D flat minor. I don't mind waiting. And so you can play this D major 9 or a D major 7. I don't mind. D over F sharp, E to A flat. I don't mind waiting. So then that's the D flat minor 7 to D major 9. Now we're going to play a B major over E flat. And you're going to play this little slur here. Okay? Then we're going to play this nice E13. To make it easy, you can think you're just playing a D major chord on top of E. And you can add this 13, which is the 6 of E. Okay. Okay, so then we'll walk up in. I don't mind waiting. So then A to A over D flat. Now we're going to do a 7-3-6. Okay, so the 7 is an A flat minor 7 flat 5. All these are different inversions of the same chord. So, A flat minor 7 flat 5. Then we're going to play a D flat 7 sharp 9 sharp 5 to a D flat 7. To make it easy, you're really just playing an A major chord on top of D flat 7. So here, And then we're going to go to an F diminished 7 to F sharp minor 7. And then B minor 7 to E 9 sus4, which is a D chord on top of E. On you, Lord. And that is the whole song. So let me play it through without stopping so you can see it all in context, how it's played. Alright, that was I Don't Mind Waiting by Myron Williams. Hey, if there's a song you want me to put up a tutorial on, please send in a donation. There's links in my bio for Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and I also accept Zelle. I'm also taking piano students for Zoom lessons. I can teach you anything from songs to music theory, or if you just want me to help you work on some general technique. Alright, thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos pretty soon. Take care.